won this prestigious award of standing first in the State Food Safety Index declared by Food Safety and Standards Authority of India for the consecutive 5th year. And I congratulate my team FDA for these consistent efforts. It's very easy to go to the first rank, but then maintain it continuously for 5 years is a really consistent efforts by team FDA, and also the strong support from all our stakeholders, all our line departments, and this is how we are able to achieve this feat which no other state has achieved so far. You will also know that this year is declared as the International Year of Millets by United Nations at the instance of Government of India. So we have celebrated this, we have been celebrating and already conducted the programs for these millets. Then our flagship program was the Millets Mela, which was inaugurated by our Honorable Health Minister, Shri Vishwajit Rani, and it was a grand success.
We are possibly restricted to ourselves and the industry. Probably we have to widen our horizon. So jointly we can do it. And that's a program will come to you, maybe FDA, and in some of the program we can jointly do. I was just, today's theme precisely on uses of cooking oil or waste oil. But when I look at the Pollution Control Board, we have 3-4 categories. We have waste oil, we have got used oil, and this is cooking oil. So when we give authorization, we give different parts of oil, but this is very, very important. And in fact, I was not much aware of how intricately it has been designed. Then I realized this waste oil, if not like used oil, not disposed to a right authority, right place, it can cause a havoc. Because many of the scrupulous, I wouldn't name, but then the in between traders or collectors, so-called collectors, not authorized, they collect and recycle food chain, and though they are carcinogenic. And here also I'm happy that Munzir Bharat is, I think, is an authorized agency which we have authorized Pollution Control Board. They are part also of this team who are coming together. So this is what we say is a collaborative effect, collaborative effort. Alone you can't do anything. Mr. Ralph D'Souza representing a most prominent, apex and oldest industry association, Goa Chamber of Commerce, FDA who is representing food, and we are here. So together we can make more progress.
We have a huge presence of hospitality industry in Goa. It's one of the biggest in India in terms of rooms and in terms of footfalls. We have the international as well as the domestic market flocking into Goa. Bit slow on the international because of various factors, but I'm told that next year we'll see a much better trend and a larger number of footfalls coming into Goa. This FDA's role is crucial in this hospitality sector to ensure that there is safe food, to ensure that there are certain regulations, certain laws that are implemented in order to avoid any undesired effects, like what happens when you consume bad food or stale food. There have been destinations in the world that have been closed because of this food poisoning epidemic. It happened in one country in Caribbean. The whole destination collapsed. I remember the tour operator went bankrupt paying the compensations. It so happened that it was a huge hotel. The charter hotels have about 2,000-3,000 rooms. And they're all inclusive, where people come and live in the hotel. They have the breakfast, lunch, tea, dinner, everything in the hotel. It's like a little Disneyland that you live in. And something went bad. Something happened that shouldn't have happened. It was terrible. The food poisoning was so bad. The compensation was so happy that the entire resort, the company, as well as the airline and the tour operator collapsed. That's how serious it is.